3.5% to 2%. This is the Government of India data. Manufacturing growth, which is a major engine for generating employment, and you remember there was a Lion Make in India, that Lion's growth from 12% it fall to 0.6%. Construction growth, construction sector besides agriculture is one of the major sector for generating employment to the unorganized sector, had reduced from 9.6% to 5.7%. Domestic demand is depressed 18-month low, and nominal GDP as per government data is 15-year low. 15 साल की सबसे कम nominal GDP है. Unemployment level, I am sharing now one report released by Government of India just day before yesterday. They call it as a All India Survey on Higher Education by MHRD. And on the same day, the CMIE, the Center for Monitoring of Indian Economy, had released the unemployment data. And I am giving you few data. Unemployment levels are increasing with education level. Means जितना ज़्यादा लोग पढ़ रहे हैं उतने ही बेरोजगार हो रहे हैं. This is a unique thing. This is new India what Modi ji is calling. Nearly 1 crore individuals with graduate degrees do not. So farmers are not receiving adequate prices, and rural incomes have declined. Rural income have declined to last 15 years lowest level. 32% dip in car sales. People are losing jobs over jobs in auto sector. As per the estimate, 3.5 lakh people had already lost job in auto sector, and 10 lakh people are on the verge of losing their job in the auto sector. Where are you? And you know what is the reason that in 2008, in spite of world's biggest or world's severe recession, why India is not affected? Because we are having a very strong regulators. बड़े बड़े बैंक फेल हुए, पर इंडिया के एक बैंक पे आज आई 2008 में नहीं आई, because our regulator was stringent. They are having buffers to tackle all these things. अब देख लीजिए आप, वो पैसा लेके आप अपने खर्चे निकाल रहे हो. क्यों निकाल रहे हो? क्योंकि आपका टैक्स कलेक्शन हो नहीं रहा है. ना आप जीएसटी से कलेक्ट कर पा रहे हो, ना डायरेक्ट टैक्स से कलेक्ट कर पा रहे हो. आपको याद होगा जब नोटबंदी की गई, if you might remember that when demonetization was done, we were told that the tax base got increased, the tax collection will improve, but that is not coming on paper, that is not reflected in the government's data. You will be surprised to know that the tax increase in direct tax in percentage term during UPA 1 and 2 was higher than the direct tax collection growth during the first regime of Modi 1.0. You will be surprised to know that the GST collection had never achieved the targets. For this year also we are in a GST deficit. अब कहाँ से पैसा लाओगे? रोजगार है नहीं. 100 लाख करोड़ का आपने कहा हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में